explosion. What is population explosion? What is the trend of population explosion in India, in world, and what is the probable reason of the population explosion? So today, first we discuss the topic population explosion. What is the population explosion? There are two terms: population growth. The normal growth is called the population growth. But when the enormous growth of trend are seen in a population in a very short time period, this is called the population explosion. If we observe the population of India, population of world, or population of any country, and we found that there is so much increase, enormous growth in a very short time duration. So this considered the population explosion. Dear viewer, population explosion is not the problem of India, not the problem of the world. It is also the problem of world, problem of many other countries. And when we study the trend of population explosion or population growth of world, then we found the population of world in 19 AD was only 2 billion. In 2000 AD, it reached to the 3 billion. In 2019 AD, it reached into 7.6 billion, and in 2021 AD it reached to 7.89 billion. Same trend seen in a reference to India population. The population of India at the time of independence was only 350 million. It reached to 1 billion in the month of May 2000 AD, and it reached more than 1 point something in the month of 2020 and 21. So this trend, the increasement within 100 years, this is the 2 time, and within the 100 years it is also about more than 2 or 3 times. This trend of increase the population is called the population explosion. Then question arises, how can population explosion occur? What is the probable reason of population explosion? Population explosion का probable reason क्या है? So there are many reasons, but 4 main probable reason of population explosion are: number 1 is the decline of death rate. Second is the decline of maternal mortality rate, MMR. Third is the decline of in infant mortality rate IMR, and fourth is to attain to attain maximum number of individual at reproductive phase. So there are the four main reasons. First is the decline of the death rate. It is very important reason for the population explosion. Before the 19th century, there are not so much development. Due to the development of the medicine and other, the death rate means in a year the number of death is considered the death rate, it decrease. Ultimately, if the death rate of a country is decreased, then the number of individuals can increase and it can be lead the process of population explosion. Second is the decline of the maternal mortality rate. It is also very important factor because due to the advancement of the technology, medicine and different core tactics technique, the maternal mortality rate, the death of the female at the time of the delivery. At the time of delivery, a large number of female can die due to the infection like the tetanus. But nowadays, such a type of complication not occurs, and finally, a large number of female can pass out the process of labor pain and normal delivery are occurs. Third is the decline of the infant mortality rate. It is also very important because in past year, before the 19th century, mid 20th century, a large number of infants are die at the time of birth due to the infection. Majority of the delivery occurs in the town or the village in the guidance of a normal woman, and finally due to the infection or due to any other complication, large number of infants are die. But due to the advancement of the technology, development of different type of the core tactics in medicine and surgery, the infant mortality rate is also reduced, and it also lead the process of population explosion. And last is the to attain the maximum number of individual at the reproductive phase. Due to these three reasons, death rate is decrease, mortality rate is a decrease, infant mortality rate is a decrease, and due to this a large number of individual can attain the maturity, they are capable of to do the process of reproduction, and ultimately they can participate role in the production of individual that ultimately